Good morning. Okay, y'all, I got these 2 boxes and your girl look a hot mess. That's the reason why I'm not on camera, but I need to do these videos. 1 box. And then I got the other box. 2 boxes. So I got 2 boxes to actually haul for y'all. And I'm just gonna do it right here. So let me find this doggone thing. Where is it at? Oh, right here. So yeah, let's get into these boxes really quick. Matter of fact, I'm gonna use this little trash can right here to hold it up. And I'm just gonna hold it in front of the camera. Also, y'all, welcome. All my new subscribers, what's up? To the people who've been rocking and rolling, happy hands. To the people who've been rocking and rolling with your girl from day one, thank you for always coming back to my channel. I truly appreciate it. Also, I want to give a big shout out to all of the people that watch all of my videos, vlogs, reviews, hauls, walkthroughs, sip and chat. If you're watching all of those things, you are my MVP. My MVP of the channel. And because of you, your girl keep posting. Like I said, y'all, your girl still got a nice stuff on. But let me move this stuff over here. I'm gonna move it to this side. Sorry, y'all. I might have to edit myself out because like I said, I look a mess. My hair is actually like in a ponytail, but I know I need to get this haul done. Let me show y'all what I look like. This me. But, and I have on shorts, y'all, just in case y'all was wondering, because I know y'all probably see me or seen me or whatever. But I'm not going to get on camera. So these are just shorts that I sleep in. So let's get started. Let's get started so we don't drag it. So let's open this first box. Yeah. Hopefully none of the candles is broke. This was that buy 2 get 2 sale that I got this stuff. Yeah. And most of these candles is candles that I want to exchange out. Okay, the first item is I wanted to grab this whipped coffee candle. I really love the packaging. And like I told y'all in my other video, these were already in my store. And it wasn't really a big deal. Yes, I do love the packaging. I don't even know if y'all could see it because of the label. But I think this label is so cute. But this is whipped coffee and I got it free with rewards. So yeah, this was the only one that I got. I didn't grab any of the other ones. I just decided to just grab this one. Okay, the next candle is White Velvet Coconut. White Velvet Coconut. Now this is one I will be keeping. I'm gonna keep this one because I actually do like this scent. Yes, y'all. White velvet cake, coconut shavings, and buttercream. Yeah, I really like this one. This candle came out last year, and I think I have 2, so this will be 3. So yeah, I'm not gonna get any more backups. This will be it for me with this candle, unless it goes 75%. If it goes 75%, then maybe yeah, I will do it, but chances are it won't. So yeah, got that. Okay, the next one is Palo Santo. Yes. Y'all know this is the one that I wanted. I wanted this one in this ombre black. Yes, wanted this one. So when I seen it was on the website, yes, I will take it. Y'all should already know what the scent notes is, but Palo Santo wood, warm ambers, soft musk. Yes. Y'all know I love this candle, not just because of what it smells like, but because of the benefits that it's supposed to give you. I just really enjoy this candle. Don't count it out until you count it in. You know what I'm saying? Try it. Bath and Body Works has a really good return policy. If you don't like it, you can always return it. So just give it a try. You know, no, it's not for everybody, but for as me, I love smoky, woody scents. I love it. So yeah, this is Vanilla Bean. Yeah. I keep buying this candle. And then I actually end up returning it. I done bought this candle so many times and I end up returning it and exchanging it out. But I did grab Vanilla Bean. Vanilla Bean, marshmallow, warm cinnamon, nutmeg. I feel like they changed this candle. I feel like this candle has been changed. I don't remember cinnamon and nutmeg being in this candle, but I don't know. Like I said, most of the time I get this candle, I end up returning it. Yeah, I don't know. I said that I was going to keep it this time, but I feel like I'm going to exchange it. Yeah, it actually smells really good, but I think this is going to be one of the ones that I exchange out. I always do that. I don't know why. One day I'm going to end up keeping this candle. One day. I don't know when, but eventually this will be in my candle collection one day. And I probably need to do it before somebody come up with a brilliant idea and discontinue it. So I probably should keep it one day, but today might not be that day. This might be exchanged. Rose water and ivy. I do not own this candle, and the reason why I got this candle is because so many people were saying that this candle smells like, or could be in the same family as the blush poinsettia candle. So that's the reason why I decided to grab this one, just to see, because I don't own this. I don't really own that many rose scented candles. Of course, this is an old candle, so everybody should know what it smells like, because this candle comes out every year, every collection. Yeah, this isn't something new. But the scent notes is rose petal, English ivy, lemon blossom, musk. Yeah, I don't know why I've never owned this, but I'm not gonna own it now because I'm exchanging this thing. I could get this candle anytime. So this will be another candle that I exchange. So yeah, that was it for this order. Let's move on to the next box. And this box only gonna have 3 candles in it because of the last candle is shipped late. And that's one candle that I think I'm gonna exchange as well. I'll be glad when the day comes when Bath and Body Works start back putting coupons inside the box. That'll be so nice. So Bath and Body Works, if you're listening, I know somebody on your team always look at videos, YouTube videos, but if somebody on your team, please recommend that they give us the coupons inside the boxes again. This one is iced raspberry Bellini. I don't remember buying this one, but okay. Iced raspberry Bellini, and it sounds loose. Yeah, it's kind of loose. But this is the Peace candle. This candle, the reason why, because at first I was just like, okay, this candle isn't a big deal to me. It's just okay. But I blended this candle with Wine Cellar. So nice. So nice together. Because Wine Cellar really don't throw all that good. And when I blended with this one, it just gave me what I needed. So that's the reason why I decided to buy another one. But I got a feeling these candles most definitely going to be around for semi-annual sale. As you see, semi-annual sale is next week. So yes, this, I don't know. I'm going to keep this one. I'm going to keep it. So yeah, that's the reason why I got this one. And if you don't know the scent notes, Prosecco, raspberry, citrus. That's the scent note for this one. This one is amazing with wine cellar. If you have that candle, burn these two together and it will most definitely give you that more wine slash berry type of scent. Yeah, really enjoyed those two together. And if you're not following me on Instagram, you most definitely should be. I post up every candle that I burn for the day, and you can see which candles I'm blending, all that over there on my Instagram, Kimble Rene on Instagram. Okay, the next one is Frosted Coconut Snowball. This one might be returned. I might return this one because I actually do have one of these in my collection. So this one was just a filler for me. The packaging is actually really cute. Yeah, packaging is really cute. The scent notes on this one is toasted coconut, vanilla musk, whipped cream. This thing smells good. Woo! Love that lid. That lid is super nice. Wow. And I think this is an online exclusive candle, I believe. I have to double check that, but I think this is online exclusive. But I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this or not. This smells super good. It's just, I feel like this is something I could get. Yeah, I don't know. I might keep it. But if I do keep it, this will be the second one that I have in my candle collection. Because the other one I bought probably 2 years ago. Yeah. So I might go ahead and keep this one. I know I need to exchange at least 4 candles. Now, come on. Laundry Day is the next one. I can't keep everything. And it's looking like I got all this stuff to exchange. Some of this stuff to exchange out. And now I'm trying to keep everything. In the world? Laundry Day. The reason why I got this candle because I just absolutely love the packaging. I love this packaging. This packaging is what drew me into this. Yes, the candle is nice, but I have a couple of these candles already in my collection, so I really didn't need another one. But that packaging sold me. I thought it would look so good inside of my candle warmer. So yes, go to my Instagram if you want to see my blend of the day. Yes. I love that. I love the way this packaging looks. I actually got a throw cover just like this. That same white. Love it. So yeah, that's why I got this one. Scent notes on this one is fresh air, eucalyptus, lavender. Yes. Bath and Body Works is really starting to bring this candle out a lot. Now they need to slow down with it. Yes, we love it, but don't give us too much of it. You know, this candle done came out probably about 4 times now. Slow down, Bath and Body Works. Slow down. We love it, but we don't need to see it in all of the collections. So I'm just saying. So that's basically everything that I got. I'm still waiting on one more box, which is my which is the body care stuff. I'm still waiting on that box. It was supposed to be delivered yesterday, but for some reason they were saying bad address, and it's like, how y'all deliver these 2 boxes? So how? So yeah, so far it looks like I only have 1, 2, 3. I think I probably have maybe 4 candles because I'm not going to exchange this Palo Santo, but that other Palo Santo I bought on Candle Day, I'm going to exchange that one out. So I do have 4 candles that I'm going to exchange out. So stay tuned for that video. Yeah. And don't forget to subscribe, follow me on Instagram, thumbs up the video, leave in the comments, what do you think about these candles? Do you also leave in the comments, do you feel like Vanilla Bean has changed? I feel like was the scent notes always this? I don't know, I can't remember. Because I done had this candle about 5 or 6 times, and every time I get it, I always exchange it out. So leave that in the comments. about this vanilla bean, because to be clear, to be honest, I can't even tell you if the notes changed or not. But this is one that I will be exchanging out. So yeah, leave in the comments. Let me know, have you been receiving your online orders, or is your stuff delayed like mine was? So yes, thumbs up, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, hit the notification bell, and I guess I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.